Welcome to today's guide on the GED. If you've ever wondered what the GED is and how to prepare for it, you're in the right place. Make sure to check the description below for helpful links as we progress. First, let's get into what the GED actually is. GED traditionally stands for General Educational Development Test. Imagine this scenario. You're so close to finishing high school, but for some reason, you can't quite get that diploma. Enter the GED test. It evaluates whether you have a high school level of education. GED traditionally stands for General Educational Development Test. Think of it like a high school diploma's twin. While a high school diploma is earned after years of coursework, the GED is earned through a test. The GED test is split into 4 key areas: mathematical reasoning through language arts, science social studies. These tests measure your reasoning, comprehension, and specific skills in areas such as math. Here is the timing for each test. Reasoning through language arts, 150 minutes, multiple choice. Mathematical reasoning, 115 minutes, varied formats like multiple choice, drag and drop, etc. Social studies, 70 minutes. And science, 90 minutes, covering earth, life, and physical sciences. Be sure to subscribe to the channel as we have further guides on each subject. You might ask, why take the GED test? Well, with the GED, you can not only increase your annual earnings, but also expand educational and career opportunities. However, there's the matter of the test fee. But did you know there are ways to get the GED for free or at a discounted rate? One excellent option is the Bronx EOC or other EOCs in New York. Thousands of students have taken classes for free and have tested and passed their GED at these centers. We have included links in the description below. Another option is the GED Works program. Offered through certain employers, this program gives you access to preparation materials, personal advisors, and the GED test, all for free. Check out the list of participating employers in the description. Many states also offer free or discounted GED testing. From Minnesota to Virginia, different eligibility requirements apply, so be sure to check the link in the description for specifics. Now, where should you take the GED? You have 2 options, online or in person. Whether you choose the convenience of your home or the structure of a testing center, both formats ensure the integrity of the exam. If you're taking it online, you'll be supervised by an online proctor. And for the in-person format, test centers provide all necessary materials. The link below lets you check if your state allows online GED testing. Before we talk about subject-specific tips, remember, choose a comfortable testing environment. Ensure a stable internet connection if online. Pick optimal test timings. Set up a clutter-free and quiet space. Now let's explore quick tips for each section. Language arts. Read questions before the passage and summarize as you read. Math. Understand the question, estimate answers, and familiarize yourself with formulas. Social studies. Focus on data, events, cause and effect, and understand economic terms. Science. Interpret graphs, know variables, and read questions keenly. And guess what? We have separate detailed videos for each section. Make sure to subscribe. For mathematical reasoning, demonstrate problem solving, both algebraic and quantitative. Score to beat, 145. In reasoning through language arts, show proficiency in reading comprehension, grammar, and written expression. Aim for a 145 or higher. Social studies asks for analytical skills and understanding of history, geography, and civics. Again, a 145 will get you past. For science, exhibit understanding in life, physical, and earth sciences. Know how to interpret charts and data. Target score? You guessed it, 145. Each test demands unique skills. But remember, a score of 145 unlocks doors to brighter opportunities. Your future awaits. The entire GED exam comprises 4 separate tests, and it's advisable not to cram them into one day. Use a study schedule that works for you. Remember, it's okay to space them out. When preparing, quality study materials and a conducive environment can be game changers. Most students study for around 3 months, but always go at your pace. Remember too that you can take one subject at a time. Most students prepare for the GED for 3 months, tailoring their study focus based on their weak areas. Ensure you're confident before taking the exam. Remember, you can spread out the subjects over time and maintain a distraction-free study environment with regular breaks. Didn't pass on your first attempt? Don't worry. You can retake specific subjects, and sometimes you might even get a free or low-cost retake. In most states, you can retake the test 3 times in a calendar year per subject. You also have to wait 60 days before testing once more. Be sure to review the requirements for each state using the link in the description. We have already said you need a score between 145 to 164 to pass. This indicates high school level knowledge, but higher scores might even earn you college credits. For those preparing for retakes, identify your weak areas, practice regularly, and use quality study materials. Places like the Bronx EOC in New York offer free prep and testing for eligible individuals. More on that in the description. The GED is more than a test. It's a gateway to opportunities. So whether you're just starting or gearing up for a retake, know that a brighter future awaits. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more in-depth videos on each GED subject. Be sure to review our series on mastering each subject area.